Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, I want to jump in and talk about some of the things that I did that really jump-started my trading career. We're also going to be talking about a fantastic strategy that you guys can use to start making money from trading in the markets. So stay tuned for that. But if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and my approach, my strategies, how I find stock, check out our school. You guys can use code LEARN to get 50% off. It's absolutely awesome because we got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, everything you guys need to get started with trading, whether you're a beginner or you're a veteran trader just looking for more information. So use code LEARN to get 50% off. And guys, let's jump into this here. So when I first started trading, I had the complete wrong approach. I honestly just jumped in the driver's seat and I started trading, and before I knew it, I started losing money. The first thing that I would recommend doing is, if you're just starting out, is to treat trading like a business, like a job, like a career. Don't expect to make $1 million every single day from trading. And I know, going on YouTube or TikTok, you'll see people saying, oh, how to swing trade in 30 days, how to become profitable in a week. No, 85% of traders fail. So the approach you have to have is, one, I need to learn as much as I can. I need to practice. I need to learn. I need to practice. I need to learn. And you just need to keep repeating that process. You know, you have to treat trading, like I said, like a career, like a doctor, like a lawyer. So what I mean by that is, how long does it take a doctor to become a doctor? It takes years of practice, hard work, education. So you can't jump into trading and expect to make $1 million in 30 days. I'm sorry, it's just not gonna happen. So the next thing that I would highly recommend doing is to do this. Get yourself a handy dandy trading journal. This is the one that I sell, that I use. It's awesome because why it's important is it will help keep track of your trades. It'll help keep track of what's working, what's not working. You can describe your setups, you can track your performance, your mindset, your trade breakdown, but more importantly, errors. What are you doing wrong and how can you improve? That is very important. And the last thing here with the trading journal is to write out your checklist. So you'll always make sure you're choosing quality rather than quantity, because the biggest thing that I did is I traded way too much. I over traded, and it really just was not good because I always felt like I had to be in on a trade, when in reality, sometimes it's just better to sit on the sidelines and watch what happens than always be in a trade. So the last thing I want to talk about here when it comes with trading is to go at your own pace. You'll see people, I'm sure, in communities, and you'll see people on TikTok and YouTube telling you that trading is easy and you can learn in a week. No, everybody is different. And the thing that I would recommend doing is, pull bits and pieces from traders that you follow and find things you like from everybody and just start developing that edge, start developing that strategy and that approach. So guys, let's jump into the strategy that I would recommend for traders. So don't forget to use code LEARN to get 50% off our school if you guys want to learn how to find some of these plays. So all right, so this here are two positions that we're in. I want to talk about why we're in them, the approach behind it here, and honestly just giving you guys my opinion about it. So the broker I use is Moomoo. They're awesome. They're literally the best trading broker. If you're just starting out trading, check them out. I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get 20 free stock just by signing up. So click that link. But for me, you'll notice all of my stocks here have an upward trend. I have a good risk and reward. The stock is trading on some sort of support line. It's undervalued on the RSI. And then the hourly chart either has some sort of trend reversal or some sort of breakout. So with ticker symbol ELV here, you guys can see we had that little dip up, hit that 90-day moving average line, and hopefully what we see here is this new trend forming like such. So the next approach here is to see it break up above this blue line, which is the 90-day EMA line. Now, the reason why I say that here is you guys can see this red line is the 200-day moving average line. It hit it several times and we've gotten great support there each and every time. So we took a small trade here and the stock has popped up. We're already up a little bit on this trade, but the thing about this position is, looking at it, the two resistance lines are the 90-day moving average line and the 200-day on the hourly. So if we can get a breakout above that, things are going to be looking great. But I'm very confident in this position because the last time it broke out above these moving average lines, you guys can see it popped up, rallied its way up. Even in here popped up, rallied its way up. So, for me and my approach, it's not, I'm not trying to have 100% returns. I just understand those 1, 2, 3% returns that just compound over the course of a year is what makes up a successful trader. Now, the ticker symbol ALLY here is a stock actually that one of the members called out. And so we went in with a small position here. Now, you guys can see that the daily here looks relatively decent. We have that stock with some sort of upward trend. But one of the reasons we hopped in, it was undervalued on the RSI here, which is the relative strength index, and it was riding this hourly trend. You guys can see this general trend line. So we hopped in when the stock is above the 200-day moving average line because this historically is a very bullish thing for the stock to do. So doing that, keeping your stop loss below the trend is an easy way to ensure a good risk and reward. So hopping in here, keeping our stop loss, let's draw it out. So our target price is going to be up here before we got some good sell off here. And then our stop loss down here, our entry price is here. So the risk and reward is 6.45. So I'm risking $1 to make $6.45, which is really, really good. So the biggest thing about trading is not trying to make $1 million. It's understanding good risk and reward. So planning out your trades, understanding your stop loss, your trade management, and just focusing on those base hits. Education, base hits, and time and education are those things that you will need as a trader. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm excited for this upcoming week, so we can make some money off some of these trades. So hit that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.